Here's a brief overview of the Gen 2 R1T with advanced driver. I believe it's called Connect Plus. I'm not sure, driver assistance plus. Anyway, so my hands on the steering wheel. It spots the cars next to you, cars in front of you, similar to the Tesla setup, as you can see. So I'm gonna take my hands off the steering wheel. It's gonna prompt me to put my hands on the steering wheel at 60 seconds. Hands still off. So it's similar to the Tesla nag, but let's try switching lanes. Still haven't touched the steering wheel. It's gonna nag me shortly. There's the first nag. So I put my hands on the steering wheel, nag goes away. Very, very smooth. Similar to how Ford does the, I guess it's the non-self-driving one, where you have to touch it every so often. So let's see how many seconds before it nags me again. But it's cruising. There is another nag. So this nag gets more aggressive if you don't listen to it. But if you put your hands on it, it goes away. See, it got a little aggressive there. So yeah, it's actually about like every 30 or 40 seconds, I suppose. It does get a little annoying, but I mean, it for the most part, it's pretty hands-free. It stays in the lanes, similar to the picture, as you can see. It's pretty realistic. Then you can adjust the following distance with this knob over here. Stays on the lane though. There's the nag. Put your hands on the wheel and it goes away. Smooth driving.